Hi folks, Tom Franiak here with Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first. Wanted to show you a great feature in this kitchen, something that I think is very, very important. Here we are, we're in the cooking area, or the prep area. You can see here we've got the prep sink up here. This is a small center island in this kitchen. And what's one of the things when you're cooking, or you're baking, or you're living, that you create? Trash. Who likes to see their trash can out in the middle of the world for everybody to see? You invite your friends over, you invite your neighbors over, and they're looking at your nasty, dirty trash can. Nobody likes that. So look, something that we will always try to do in any design we create. Now, let's face it, sometimes we just can't do it, but 95% of the times we can. We want to hide the trash can in the kitchen so your friends and family don't have to look at what kind of trash you're making. You know, we don't want anybody looking at that, right? So here we are. Go ahead and open that up and look in here. 2 35-quart trash cans in there. Now, I don't know if you need 35-quart trash cans in yours. We also have them bigger at 50s. You know, we're a small family. We use 35s. But anyhow, wanted to show you that. And this is also all soft close. No slamming stuff. Can't get in a fight and slam the doors and drawers. It just doesn't work with our kitchens because everything that we do is soft close. Want to open this up? I'm going to give you another little trick. Has anybody had it where you put the bag in your trash can and it just falls in, right? And you throw something in there, it falls in. I'm spin this one around here, and I want to show you. Spin this around, show you. Look at that. If you just tie a little teeny knot close to the edge on your trash can, you can get this trash bag so tight it will not come off when you throw a piece of trash in there. That's kind of neat. Take that home, use that. You know, I want to see tomorrow all of you using that idea. So anyhow, Tom Franiak here, Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first.